When can you use your retirement savings without penalties? My name's Ryan Diamisi. I work at Christian Wealth Management as a wealth advisor, and my goal is to help you get the most out of your money. I was talking to a client yesterday, and it made me realize that not everybody remembers the basic rule of when you're 59 years old, you can use your IRA or 401k savings without any penalties. The IRS actually gives you a list of other qualified distributions that avoid the 10% penalty. And I wanted to talk through one idea today. And I want to start with the example. If you're 45 years old and you have $1 million saved in a retirement savings account, you could take over $4,500 a month and avoid the 10% penalty. How do you do that? It's through what the IRS calls a substantial equal periodic payment. And you can just look it up, SEPP, and it's a provision and the IRS allows for you to access your money through systematic payments to yourself before ages 59 and a half. So let's say you're 45 years old, you've got $1 million in your retirement savings. The key is just simply, do you know how much you actually spend on a month-to-month basis? Because if you know how much you need and how much you want, and if it falls in what the IRS allows you to take out, you might be able to retire a lot sooner than you originally thought. So my goal is to help you get the most out of your money. So hopefully that was encouraging. This content is for you. If you have any feedback, put the comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye.